Children, I am Sumeri Lal, TGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya NHPC Banvasa. You are most welcome. Okay, my dear students, today we are going to learn about the study of story writing. It is also the long composition, story writing. How to write story. Dear students, writing is not easy, and writing is a good story is even harder. So question here, what is a short story? How to compose, how to write a short story. So now see, a short story is a work of imaginary tale or thoughts. I repeat the same, a short story is a work of imaginary tale or thoughts that is usually written in easily explicable grammatical structure with natural flow of speech. A short story should be brief, simple, and direct. Because of directness and conciseness, a typical short story has very little action and hardly any character development. Dear students, however, it must provide a snapshot of life, typically a decisive moment that may result in relation to the character in one or other form. So let us focus on key elements of a story. What are the main elements, main factors, main points or main clues? See, first, characters, fewer is better. Plot construction, simple and interesting of the story. And then setting, brief but poetic vivid. Point of view, resolution, climax, theme, conflicts, intense but one. So dear students, just we have already known about a short story. Let us know what is a story. The second part, what is a story? A story is a presentation of coherent events in which characters act and react in a context. This makes the event move and progress. There are ups and downs in a story. So how to write a story? See, a story writer should have some ideas to write about the people who are in the story. See, I repeat the same. A story writer should have some ideas to write about the people who are in the story. Here are you need to understand the clues. See, starting points given to complete the story. Look at the following format and way in which a story could be written. First, introduction, beginning of the topic, story. See, introduce the characters and events which take the story forward. You need to be imaginative to tell a story to reader. First, introduce the character, main character of the story and events in the beginning. And then in the middle, the events and characters who do the event move forward doing something or other or reacting to the event which happened in their situations. And then ending point of the story, how to conclude the story. Closing of the story with the events coming to an end and the characters are either very happy or satisfied or wrongdoer is punished. This enables the reader of the story to come to some understanding and drive some meaning. So, dear students, now see, when you develop a story from the given outlines, remember the following few points. So please, key point must be remembered, must be kept in your mind. Now see, read the outline given and understand. The outline would be given in the question, that must be read and understand very carefully. Do some rough work jotting down the points which you think you will make the storyline in your own way. Okay. And next point, think of any other way the story can move, or you can write the story in any other way. And then write the story with proper coherence makers or connectors. And then a very, very important point, write in simple language but use metaphors, similes and images. Means figurative, idiomatic or phrasal language should be used at the time of writing the story. Do not artificial or be natural. Your story should have a plot. A plot has characters and event go together. There must be some connections between one action and the other, which follows the previous action. Your story should have a theme. Theme may be anything based on society, social problem which the society faces every day. Here is how your story will be assessed. Okay, now see, I repeat, your story should have a theme. The theme may be anything based on society, social problems which the society faces every day. So here is how your story will be assessed. Now, here are some of the points are given to elaborate, to compose a short story. Now see, note down question. First question, using the outlines given below, write a story in 150 or 200 words and also give a suitable heading or title of the story. Okay, hints are given. King Solomon famous for his wisdom. First line outline, Queen of Sheba heard his fame, came to visit him, impressed by wealth and grandeur, wanted to test his wisdom, showed two garlands of flowers, one in right hand, one in left. Next point, one real flower, one artificial flowers. Asked him which is which. Courtiers puzzled. Next point, garlands looked the same. Next point, Solomon silent for a moment. Next point, asks to open the window. Bees comes flying in. Next point, settled on garland in right hand. And next point, Solomon declared garland in right hand real. Matter decided, Queen of Sheba impressed. So dear student, these are the outline for compose a short story. So now do this work at your level best. If you have any problem, doubts or query, you come to me, you tell me frankly so that I could solve your problem at my level best. Thank you and have a nice day.